Here's how to post photos and videos to Threads. You just download it and install the Threads app on your mobile phone and you want to share a photo or video on your Threads account. I am going to show you how to do it. So let's start it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that Threads app has access to your photo gallery. So let's hop into your settings and then we will scroll down until we find Threads on this list. There it is. Tap on it and then tap on photos and let's allow all photos. Now keep in mind, unlike other apps, Threads does not have a camera feature directly in the app, so you cannot go in the app and take a photo of whatever you want to take photo. Whatever you want to share and then post that you have to do that in the camera on your phone first and then it will go to your gallery and then you can upload it from your gallery. So let's go into Threads here and let's tap tools button and paper at the very bottom center. Now you can see right under starter thread is a little paper clip indicating an attachment. I can tap on that and then it allows me to choose. I can choose a photo or video. Let's choose this photo and then I'm going to hit and now keep photos or videos on here. But you can see here is a quick little video, quick little photo that I might want to share and less than I can start with right that might want to share and then I can start with right. Of course, just comment on whatever that photo or video is about. Now at the very bottom you can see anyone can reply. I can always tap on that and you can switch it to your profile. You follow or mention only if you want to limit who exactly can comment, who exactly can repost all of the stuff on this specific thread. Hope this